Hi, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my special holiday series. I believe that everyone should have a season to feel relaxed and festive, and I think this is the perfect time to let go and relax and enjoy the coziness at its fullest and see the Christmas magic coming true. Today, I'm going to share with you one of my most favorite recipes that I am currently obsessed of. It's easy to make, but purely festive and delicious. I would love it if you click that subscribe button because I would love to see you coming back. So let's get to the recipe. After all my fairy lights, candle lights, and tree lights are lit up, I get to cook in something cozy. And today I'm making a lasagna version of spaghetti noodles. I'm taking a very small bowl, just making the first layer. I try to make it like 1.5 or 2 inch. Then the next thing I would take is pizza sauce, or I sometimes use chili garlic sauce. Then some leftover chicken or the shredded chicken pieces. Sometimes I fry some chicken and shred it into small pieces, and sometimes I use the leftover chicken. I sprinkle it all over the bowl. Then the next thing I would use is cheese slices. I normally keep cheese slices in my fridge because they are very easy to use. And so the next thing I use is frozen spinach leaves. I totally love these spinach leaves, and I kind of use them in all of my recipes and making a very good kind of layer of those. And then I sprinkle some cottage cheese that I normally make at home, and again making another layer, pasta and the sauce. I really had very little left, and then my leftover chicken shreds, sprinkle it on really well. And then another layer of cheese slice. You know, cheese is never enough, but even though I use only one. And now I sprinkle some parsley to give it some color and life. Then very generously you can add oregano. I love the smell of oregano on the omelette and on the noodles and on the pasta. It gives the life. And the red chili sauce or chili sauce gives the coziness in the texture and the chili feeling of chili and warmth. And here the last thing I'm using is the soy sauce. Pop it into the microwave or into the oven for 15 to 20 minutes, and if you're using microwave, just 10 to 15 minutes, and there you go. Once you make it, all the members of the family are going to run to you. They're going to rush towards you. Its smell is so addictive. Its smell is like drawing you close. It is so good, so comfy, and amazing delicious. It makes this whole house smell festive.